What causes cellulite then? How does that come about?
So cellulite is quite deep in the skin actually, and it's like a strong fibrous tissue taking the superficial layer of the skin very deep in the fat layer as well. So the composition, if you take a transection in the skin, is completely different, cellulites from stretch marks.
Right.
And cellulites go deep inside to the fat layer as well.
Oh, I see.
That's why when we started to treat it, we have to be really strong to break these fibers, and then the skin start to appear again on the surface soft, and there is no depth.
So this sounds to me like we need to do a lot more than just applying oils to get rid of cellulite.
Yes, unfortunately, yes. Cellulitis is more difficult to treat than stretch marks, and it needs a really heavy massage. So you can do it at home or you can do it in a clinic.
Ah, okay, so it's actually a whole massage process, and then by massaging, can it then go away?
Not 100%, but it will improve a lot.
Right,
Yeah.
right. What's been the most extreme case that you've seen?
I have lots of women actually from the Middle East coming to me with they always have weight problems, and then they have lots of cellulites, and we tried very hard. It's a long course. It's not easy to go, but we have a really good results at the end. So we usually cover the thighs, front and back.
Ah, right. And I'm guessing again, it's diet could help as well, because I suppose, is it that we're eating the wrong kind of foods that's then causing this? Because like you say, it's fat related, right?
It is, and it is related to the overweight as well, and unhealthy diet and saturated fatty acids. So of course it affected this, the cellulites. Yeah.